Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how to change your country or region in the Microsoft Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will start by showing you how to do this on a web browser from the Microsoft Store website. Open a web browser and search for Microsoft Store. Click on Windows Apps, Microsoft Store from the top of the Google search results. Now scroll to the footer of the page and click on your current language. Now choose your desired country or region from the list. Your country or region has now been changed. I will now show you how to change your region in the computer's settings. Click on the Start button and open up Settings. In Settings, select Time and Language. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Region. Click on the drop-down below Country or Region and choose your desired location. You can also change the language here if you like. However, you may have to download a new language pack and then restart your computer. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.